Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram comments at once. If you have a few comments, and you need to delete all, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open your Instagram app on mobile. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. Then go to your activity. Next you need to click on Interactions. Then open a Comments field. Now, in this field you can see all your comments, and interactions and comments. Then to delete comments, you need to tap on Select button. Instagram didn't have option to select all your comments, that's why you need to select one by one. And when you finish, tap on Delete in bottom. And confirm on Delete. And you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.